This home offers an open floor plan from one of the most popular Divosta models. The extended Capri, 1,525 square foot under air, an extended patio, and lots of privacy on the backyard makes this home ideal for a small family or your family of furry friends.
This home offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a massive screened-in lanai from one of the most desirable and popular Divosta models, the extended Capri. Boasting 1,525 square feet under air, the Capri is well known for its open concept and split floor plan. The home is conveniently located only minutes from all your shopping and entertainment needs, as well as your major highways. Not to mention, it's walking distance to Chick-fil-A. Come and see it while it lasts.
If you're looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath located in the heart of Port St. Lucie in an affordable HOA, this home's for you.